Second Corinthians
Second Corinthians
chapter 10,
chapter 10
8 to
8 to
chapter 10,
chapter 10
17.
17.
For even if I boast a little too much
if I boasted little too much
of our authority, which the Lord gave for building you up,
which the Lord gave
for
for
building you up,
building you up
and not for destroying you,
and not for destroying you.
I will not be ashamed.
I will not be afraid.
I do not want to appear
I do not want to appear
to be frightening you
to be frightening you
with my letters.
with my letters.
But they say
For they say
his letters are
his letters are
weighty and strong,
weighty and strong,
but his bodily
but his bodily
presence is weak,
presence is weak,
and his speech
and his speech
of
of
no account.
no account.
Let such a person
Let such a person
understand
understand
that what we say
that what we say
by letter
by letter
when absent,
when absent
we do
we do
when present.
when present.
Not that
Not that
we dare to classify
we dare to classify
or compare ourselves
or compare
with
ourselves
some of those
with some of those
who are commending themselves.
who are commending themselves.
But when they measure themselves
When they measure themselves
by one another
by one another
and compare themselves
and compare themselves
with one another,
with one another,
they are without understanding.
they are without understanding.
But we will not boast beyond limits,
But we will not boast beyond moorings,
but will boast only
but will boast only
with regard to the area
with regard to the area
of influence God
of influence God
assigned to us
is saying us
to reach even to you.
to reach even to you.
For we are not
For we are not
overextending ourselves
extending ourselves
as though
alone.
we did not reach you.
We are not very young.
For we were the first
For we were the first
to come all
to come all
the way
the way
to you
to you
with the gospel of Christ.
the gospel of Christ.
We do not boast
We do not boast
beyond limit in the labors
beyond limit on the labors
of others,
of others.
but our hope is that
But our hope is that
as your faith increases,
as your faith increases,
our area of influence
our area of influence
among you
among you
may be greatly enlarged,
may be greatly enlarged,
so that
so that
we may preach the gospel in lands
we may preach the gospel in lands
beyond you,
beyond you,
without boasting of work
without boasting of work
already done
already done
in
in
another's area of influence.
another area of influence.
Let the one who boasts
Let the one who boasts
boast in the Lord.
boast in the Lord.